Hi everybody. This video is to help you if you need a reminder after Tuesday's math lesson, or if you missed the morning lesson, this video hopefully will help you out with that. So the goal for this lesson is to accurately multiply a one-digit factor by a two-digit factor and multiply a one-digit factor by a three-digit factor. I'm going to do a couple of examples on each of these pages, and then I will, let the kids finish it up. And they can access this work in these pages through Canvas on the Tuesday page. I'll go ahead and start with, I'll choose this problem and this problem for this page. And remember, no matter what the numbers are, you always do the same thing in these kinds of problems. So the first thing you're going to do is multiply your lower number by the number directly above it. In this case, 6 times 2 is 12. But we can only put down the 2, we put down the ones number, and carry the tens place. 6 times 2 is 12, put down the 2, carry the 1. After we've multiplied straight up, we then multiply over. 6 times 9. 6 times 9 is 54 plus 1. Remember, with these numbers that we carry over, we add those numbers. We don't multiply them. So 54 plus 1 is 55. There's nothing else to add over. We have 552. We'll go down to this next problem here. We'll do it in blue. We have 21 times 3. Just like before, some people like to kind of make this a little bit of a line so that the 3 is going to multiply by the 1 and then go over and multiply by the 2. So we'll start just like before with our bottom number multiplied straight above. 3 times 1 is 3. There's nothing to carry over, nothing to regroup. Now we've done the multiply up. Now we'll multiply over. 3 times 2 is 6. There we go. So those are two different problems for that page. The next page here, the numbers are bigger. Crazy. But they still follow the exact same rules, which is one of my favorite things about mathematics, is that mathematics always follows the rules. No matter what the numbers look like or how big and scary they are, they still follow the rules. So I'm going to do these two problems. Once again, just like the previous page, we're going to start by multiplying straight up. 7 times 4 is 28. I'll put down the 8, carry the 2 because I have to follow the same rules as before. Now that I've multiplied up, I'm going to multiply over. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 plus 2 is 51. I will put down my 1, carry my 5. Now, this is where it's different than before. I've multiplied 7 times 4. I've multiplied 7 by 7. Well, there's still one more thing to do. 7 times 3, and then add 5. Now, 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 5 is 26. And I can write down all of 26 because there's nothing left to borrow or carry over up there. Sorry, borrow is the wrong word. Carry over. Let's go to our next example problem here. Hopefully you know which numbers we're going to multiply first. Go ahead and take a moment to think about it. All right, we start with 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. Put down the 2, carry the 3. Now that we've multiplied up, we have to multiply over. Our next number over is a 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Carry the 1, put down the 1. We have this last number to multiply now. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. There we go. Now remember that no matter what the numbers are, the problems follow the rules. You're going to do the same steps no matter what the numbers are. Also, if you don't yet have your multiplication facts memorized, this is really hard. So if you go look in your Google Docs, I have sent you a not Google Docs, Google Drive. I've sent you a multiplication table in your Google Drive. If you search Google Drive on your Chromebooks, you should be able to get there. Use your @banks.k12.or.us email to log into Google Drive, where you can then access that multiplication table and use that until you have your math facts memorized.